Hello and welcome back to Explain the Charts. Today, March 18th, 2025, we're taking a look at GBPUSD. We're going to cover some of the news and then get straight into the charts. Recent news indicates pound sterling to US dollar is retreating below 1.3000 after hitting a 4-month high amid uncertainty from the Fed and BOE. We'll see if we can find out what may happen next and how to prepare. Let's start with the daily chart to get a broad overview. Looking at the daily chart, we can see a clear uptrend forming since around November 2023, with some pullbacks along the way. The pair tested the 1.3000 resistance level recently, which aligns with the news reports we discussed. The question is, can it break through this time? Let's zoom in on the more recent price action to get a clearer picture of what's happening. Now looking at the 1-hour chart, we can get a more granular view of the recent price movements. We can see the pair consolidating around the 1.2980 to 1.3000 levels, indicating indecision in the market. According to news reports, the Fed and BOE meetings this week could be the catalyst for a breakout or a breakdown. Examining the 15-minute chart, we can pinpoint potential entry and exit points for shorter-term trades. Keep an eye on the recent swing highs and lows for potential breakout or breakdown levels. A break above 1.3000 could signal further upside, with resistance at 1.3047 mentioned in the news as a potential target. However, failure to break above this level may lead to a retest of support around 1.2911. Looking at today's candle on the daily chart, we can see we're currently in a doji, indicating indecision, so I would say a breakout in either direction is equally likely. For a bullish scenario, we need to see a decisive daily close above 1.3000, supported by positive news from the BOE regarding future rate policy. For a bearish scenario, a break below 1.2911, especially if accompanied by a hawkish Fed statement, would likely lead to further downside. To recap, key price levels to watch are 1.3000 as resistance and 1.2911 as support. A break above 1.3000 with strong momentum would likely lead to a test of 1.3047 and potentially higher. Conversely, a break below 1.2911 could trigger a move towards the 200-day moving average, currently around 1.2797. I'd say there is a 50% chance of each happening, but it really depends on central bank outlooks and tariff uncertainty. We'll keep an eye out for any further news that may affect this.